Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can download and install the Lyft application on your Android device. Lyft is an American transport service support provider that operates a mobile application offering ride-hailing, vehicles for hire, motorized scooters or bicycle sharing system, rental cars and also the food delivery. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap and open the Play Store application on your device. Then go to the search bar and you type in for a Lyft. Tap and search. There you can see the Lyft application on very top. Just beside of the application, you can see install button. You need to tap on it and wait for the application to get fully installed. As you can see, the application has been fully installed. Now you can tap in open and go in for using the Lyft application. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can download and install the Lyft application on your Android device. Thank you.